I'm going to tell you how much money you can make with the AWeber affiliate program. So if you're not familiar, AWeber is a really powerful online platform for email list and email autoresponders. So they've got all sorts of tools built in to help you manage your email list. So AWeber has been around for like more than 20 years, and it's one of the best email automation platforms on the internet, and they actually offer up to 50% commission on any referrals that you send their way. But the fact that it's up to 50% means that it's not by default. So let's take a look here. If you look at the AWeber affiliate program details on Post Affiliate Pro, you 30% commission and a 1-year cookie duration. So if someone clicks your link and makes a purchase within 1 year, it's going to be tracked and it's going to be linked to you, so you can earn commissions. Now, to earn 50% commissions, you actually have to send them 50 people or more, 50 or more paid accounts in a year, and then you can start earning 50% commissions on every other referral that you make. As a simple example of how much money you can make, let's say that if you refer 50 people and they each sign up to the $30 per month plan and they continue paying, that means that you'll make $9,000 a year on autopilot for as long as these people stay subscribed. So that's a pretty decent passive income. And they've got a bunch of different pricing options here, going all the way up to $900 a month. Pretty powerful stuff here. You can make a lot of money if you get a decent number of referrals. If you want to try out AWeber and create a free account, you can use the link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.